Christine, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question tonight. So we have this question, number 7, that says A is 3 times larger, 3 times as large as its supplement B. So we have these two angles that are supplementary angles. So that means that the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B equal 180. So those add up to 180, and that's the definition of supplementary angles. So that's what we have right here. But we also know that A is equal to the measure of angle A. We'll say the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle B, but that's times 3. It's 3 times bigger than A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this as a system of equations. So I'm going to bring this over down here. I'm going to subtract this from both sides. Measure of angle B. We'll put 3 from both sides. 3 measure of angle B. So what we get is we'll have measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equals 180. So that's the top. And then the bottom is going to equal measure of angle A minus 3 measure of angle B's equals 0. So this is a system of equations now. And to solve that, we're going to multiply this whole row, the bottom row, by -1. So this becomes negative, this becomes positive, and 0 is going to stay the same. So I'm going to rewrite it. So it's m. Once we multiplied it out, it's going to be the top again. Same as before because we didn't switch that. And then it's negative angle A. And then plus, because that changed too, 3mb equals 0. And then we're going to add both of these together. So these cancel out. This becomes 4 measures of angle B equals, and then these added together is just 180. And then the measure of angle B is going to equal, divided by 4, measure of angle B, is going to equal 45 degrees. So that's our measure of angle B. And then our measure of angle C, or A, we're going to plug this back into our original problem, where it's angle B equals 180, right? So that's going to be 45, measure of angle A plus equals 180. And then we're going to subtract 45 from both sides. And then that's what you get. 135 is the measure of angle A. So here's your angle A, and here's your angle B. All right? So what we did is we got 2 equations from our 2 equations right here from the 3 times as big and then the supplementary. And then we solved it by a system of equations like we did last year in algebra. You learned last year in algebra. All right, thank you for sending in your question tonight, Christine, and we look forward to answering more of your questions. Have a good night.